In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule group classes using Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, managing group appointments becomes simpler and more organized with this powerful tool. So let's dive right in and get started on setting up your group classes. First, we begin by creating a new group class appointment type. To do this, log into your Acuity account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Business Settings section. There, you'll find a tab called Appointment Types. This is where you can manage all your appointment settings. Click on the Appointment Types tab, and then select New Type of Group Class. This option allows you to differentiate this type of appointment from others you might offer, specifically tailoring it to a group setting. Once you've clicked to create a new group class, you'll need to start by giving your class a name and description. Think about what you'd like to convey to your potential clients. Something catchy and informative can go a long way. Additionally, set the duration of the class, which is simply how long each session will last. If there's a cost associated with attending, make sure to set that price here too. Next, let's discuss the access section. Here, decide whether your appointment type will be public or private. Making it public allows anyone to see and book the class, whereas private keeps it hidden until you share the class with specific clients. Just as important is the opportunity to set the maximum number of people who can attend. This ensures that you won't overwhelm your facilities and can properly cater to each attendee. If your class isn't a one-time event and instead involves a series of sessions, there's a handy feature for that. Simply check the box that says, "Clients must sign up for all the times this is offered." Once all your details are in place, click on the button that says Create Appointment Type to finalize and save your setup. Now your class is ready, but we still need to offer and schedule the sessions for clients to book. After saving the appointment type, notice the button labeled Offer Class. Click on this to start scheduling your sessions. You'll first need to select the calendar on which the class will appear, keeping your bookings organized. Enter the specific dates and times your class will be available for booking. If you plan to offer this as a recurring series, the recurring option is your friend. By clicking recurring, you can set up a schedule that automatically generates multiple dates, saving you time and effort. Finally, hit Save Class to confirm your settings. Just like that, your group classes are ready to be booked by eager clients. By following this guide, you'll find that managing group classes with Acuity can be both efficient and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!